Y si tú pagas, tú puedes subir a la parte de arriba y caminar. Y es como
So it's just full of Spanish speakers. Maybe they're not from Spain. South America.
Y viene
But
afuera
still.
después.
Yeah.
Ah, bueno. No vamos a hacer como las que llegamos tan tarde. Que acaba de decir que ahora que acaba de llegar ahora.
Tarde, like sera. Late. Tarde.
Así de
Tarde. Tarde means late.
But it's also ora.
Adesso. Ora. Yeah.
Ora also?
Ora, yeah.
Presto i servi.
Sí, pues ya. Y encima lo muda. Por momento.
What is this? Ce n'è in abbondanza.
There is a lot. You know, abbondanza means a lot of food, a lot of something.
Like Vasobrada is like she just knows everything, no? I have to say that. But never mind.
Who?
Eh?
What do you say? Like, he knows everything?
Yeah.
Sa tutto.
No. What was it? No. Nicolás. I was Spanish one of them. Poor Nicolás. I don't know who's Nicolás. But
I say everything is
Padilla is also in my...
Spagnolo, Argentino, let's see. Cos'è?
No.
Bro, I don't know his name. It was Nicolas, this guy.
Nicolás, yeah. Spagnolo argentino. But it was a mix, or because you didn't know if it was
No, because it's a mix. Because like he was born in Argentina, but then he lived like all over the world, and now just doing nothing a year.
like your ex-girlfriend.
Well, just little rich kids.
No, io mi posso ascoltare.
Vai sa tutto. No.
Yeah?
But she knows everything.
Già sai tutto, sai già tutto.
Sai già tutto.
Dino Dini. They're from this house.
I don't like the sound.
No? You don't like it? Don't you like his accent?
Tell the truth.
No, my dad is from this house.
Yeah.
Yeah, from Sicily.
He's different, like Cherry's accent.
No, not anymore.
And he's like the godfather.
It's like
Yeah.
with the thing, yeah.
No, but we had a teacher from Sicily.
Of what?
Economics. And like he used to feel like the godfather, like almost like in the film.
Like, what do you mean? What was he doing?
No, but something like that, being so rude with us. Yeah. He was like a dictator, like.
Relax.
No, that no. And also, you still have mafia in Sicily.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
100%. Like if you know, if you open like a bar, you must pay the mafia. Otherwise, they burn it, or I don't know, they burn your car. They do stuff. You know, we have like a house on the beach in Sicily. My grandma has it, and because like she was always so my granddad was a lawyer and he was like fighting against mafia, okay, and so my grandma, she never want to pay the mafia, and so like every year they get into the house, they break all of the glasses of the house, they steal everything they can, they get the chairs, a chair, bro, like a chair, you know?
Nowadays, also.
No, not anymore, because she said after years and years that every year they were, and like this she started paying them when they made explode one of our cars, and it was just parked in the street, explode, and we were sleeping inside the house. They're like, okay, no, this is enough, you know. That's too much. But that's just in the
But
south.
she is still paying the mafia.
Yeah? Yeah. Like, it's not like you have to give a lot of money.
Yeah, but-
just a bit. But if you don't do that, no, because it's not. Because we don't know if it was them or maybe not. Because they say pay us and we will protect your house from bad people, you know. But they are the bad people. So I don't know.
That's amazing. That's fascinating.
¿Tú sabes qué actor es ese?
No que tampoco se muere, ¿eh?
No, he dicho actor.
Ten cuidado, cariño. ¿Te ayudo?
On to kopać, żeby się śledzić.
So there is a lot of difference between the south and the north of Italy. They are very poor in the south, no?
Yeah, many of them, yes. Very poor.
Yeah. The Spain is the same, but we don't have mafia.
But no, you know, just in the south of Italy, like Calabria, Puglia, and Sicily, but also in Campania, where Naples is. You know, Naples, you know, Napoli. Napoli, yeah, like their mafia is not as bad as in Sicily.
Yeah, but in Napoli there
it's-
is a lot of robbery.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. You know, so basically, these Napoli guys, they're crazy. They, for many years, they would go from Naples to Rome with the bicycle, you know, with the not bicycle, sorry, the motorbike.
Yeah.
They would go to Rome. They would like steal Rolex from people. Like in the car, like this year, I saw a guy. Like this stole him his Rolex like from the car. Like he was driving in.
Yeah, but that they have the like the window open.
Yeah, window
and with the bra,
Yeah, like this.
but
Yeah, I know.
in Marbella they do the same.
See? But the thing is, in the same day, they go from Naples to Rome, they stole the Rolex, and then in the same day they go back to Naples. Like one day already everything sold because they're just so easy to sell, steal. Yeah, no.
That's amazing. That's amazing. That's hard. Bueno, hijas, pardon me.
See? How do you know her?
What?
How do you know this girl?
We went to Malta 2 years ago.
You went to Malta 2 years ago. Me too.
With EF.
Oh, with EF.
Yeah.
When?
July. All July.
All July. No, I was there too.
Yeah.
Where were you staying?
I went to Sabar.
Samar.
Yes. Like in the north eastern of Malta.
That's it. How do you spell it?
Weißt du, schon am Anfang gar nicht so müde war, weil ich dachte nämlich erst so, als ihr, ich weiß nicht mehr, die hat gearbeitet, so war es erst.
This city is big. Like this island is very big.
Well, not at all. Like,
No?
you can go from one part of the island to the other in 2 hours.
Well, me and my friends were staying here.
Oh.
Like literally in the other side. Like every time if you want to go out, like because we were here, and every time to go out, like we needed to go, I don't know, to La Valletta probably, and it was 30 minutes every time. Wasn't it?
Yeah, but that's not a lot. Like if you are in the other part of the island and you only have to be like 20 minutes an hour.
Yeah, but okay, look.
I don't know how people manage to buy weight.
What?
But she's from here
Yeah, Nara, she's from Dubai, but she came here to study.
to study like all the career, you know, all the.
Yeah, it's from the first year of high school. Sorry, from first year of university. Yeah, and but she's graduating next year. Yeah. So next.
How many is it?
Huh?
Oh, I know.
No, there's this one. You're right. And then we have to walk away.
Sag ich mir jetzt nur die von die mir gestern gesagt haben. Was ist da sonst noch?
Preso. Do you preso?
Presso means I don't know how to say it. It's just there. It means in that place, you know, studying in Bocconi University.
Preso in Spanish is like a criminal.
Presso?
Yeah,
Really?
preso is a criminal that is
We have to go down.
in jail. Here.
Ah no, maybe next year.
Preso.
Bro, I need to do something with this. I literally have nothing.
What?
There.
Well, you are third year. I don't have anything also.
But no, I have the club.
Yeah, no fucking way. I know the university has the club. Like, they don't go, but they have the club. No, but I wanna look for some practical, like, campo.
Yeah, that's important.
About